Welcome to RSK Solution. In this video, we are going to explain you how you can make a pressure test for the PPR. As you can see, we have a pressure pump, we have a lever, and we also have a flexible pipe that's connected with the pressure pump. And also we have a pressure gauge bar on a pressure pump, so we can see how much pressure we are making. We have a valve on it. First, we need to connect the pump with valve plate. First, we need to connect with double washer. So we need to make a thread tape on the one side to make a connection. So as you can see, make a thread tape like that, and then we are going to connect it with the valve plate. First tie with the hand and then tie it with adjustable spanner or something. Don't tie it too much, only tie it a bit, because you need to remove it again. So we have to make a connection with the pressure pump, so we are going to connect the flexible pipe. First tie it with the hand, tie it a bit, and then just tie it a bit more, but don't pressure too much because you have a washer inside. Now we are going to put the clean water inside the pressure pump. So this is the pressure pump tank. We are going to fill it up. And to make a pressure test, we need to close the end of the valve plate. So we are going to make the tabs here temporary. We make a thread tape and we are going to tie it just a bit. To make a pressure test, we need to put this lever up and down. First you need to tie the valve, tight it well. Then you need to pump it. Keep pumping that until you build up the pressure. This is the view from inside the pump, and you have to pump it until you can see the pressure gauge is just a bit moving. If it's moving a bit, you need to slightly open the tabs to confirm the water is coming out. This is the best way to make the pressure test. And also you need to make them hot separately and cold separately. Like this, if you have some mix up with the hot and cold, you can see it and you can fix it before. And then close it good and keep pumping them. As you can see, the gauge is moving. You can make it 8 bar or 10 bar, it's up to you. The pressure should be 1.5 times more than the pressure is going to be in the pipes. So you can make it 10 or 8 depending on your choice. So now we are going to make it 8 bar. We're going to show you how to make 8 bar. So you can see the pressure gauge is on the 8. You can put this red one as well there if you want to see where you put the gauge. And make sure when you make the pressure test, all the pipes should be visible. You can see all the pipes. So if there is any leakage, anything, you can find it easily. This is the best way to make a pressure test. And also you can see this is another example. We leave it for 30 minutes, but you can leave it for some hours, 4 hours, 5 hours and 8 hours is depending on you. But at least minimum should be 30 minutes. Then you're going to open the valve. And as you can see, the water is coming out and the pressure is going down. And now you can see inside the pump how the water is coming out when you release the pressure. And check the pressure very well before you opening the valve. So make sure the pressure is good. And also if ever you make a connection, if you make a small alteration, so also you need to make a pressure test even for a small job. This is the best way to work with PPR. You can see we make a small job and we also going to make a pressure test. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.